Hi, this is Kristen from Planet Bike. Are you looking for bike fenders tough enough to withstand even the wettest days of the Pacific Northwest? Meet the Cascadia recycled bike fender. This eco-forward fender is made of 36% post-consumer CRS-certified recycled polycarbonate blades. They feature extra long mud flaps and stainless steel V-stays and hardware for full wrap protection in any weather. Let's take a look. Durable, all-weather, 36% post-consumer, CRS-certified recycled blades. Stainless steel V-stays and hardware are pre-installed and disc brake compatible. Release tabs on front fender for added safety. The mud flaps are 100 millimeters long to provide extra coverage for your bike, back, and riding companions. Includes all stainless hardware to mount to bikes with brazed-on eyelets. The Cascadia recycled bike fenders come in 4 sizes: 29 by 65, 700 by 55, 700 by 45, and 27.5 by 60. We recommend that the maximum tire size is 10 millimeters or 0.4 inches less than blade width. Please check our max tire size guide before purchase and installation. You can find your bike's tire size by checking the tire's sidewall. Before purchasing the Cascadia recycled bike fenders, check to see that your bike has brazed-on eyelets attached to your frame. Eyelets will be located near the hub axle both on the front fork and on the rear seat stays. Whether you're commuting to work or on an epic cross-country tour, the clean design looks sharp on any bike and will keep you and your bike clean, protect your components, and provide years of reliable, eco-forward performance that's tough enough for the Pacific Northwest. Thanks for watching, and we hope you come ride with us.